What's that?
There is a present outside.
It's a snowmobile.
It is?
Oh, how do you know it's a snowmobile?
No, it's not.
Yes, it
Can't be
is.
a snowmobile. Well, it says RP.
So it's my snowmobile.
Why don't you-
Whatever
well,
it is, it's
let's
yours.
open it up and see what's in there. Maybe it's a couch.
Oh my gosh.
It's a real snowmobile?
What?
Oh my smokes.
It's a little snowmobile.
Wow.
That is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
It's like Uncle Terry's. It's like it.
You got a real one.
Yeah, I got a real one.
Sit on it.
Okay.
How's come you're not jumping up and down if that's what you wanted? Jump up and down.
It hasn't even sunk in yet.
Is that it? It hasn't sunk in yet.
Wow.
Think you could drive this RV?
Yep. I can drive this. And I can speed out.
Maybe Mommy and Daddy will bring you to the golf course this weekend.
Look up to the sky and say, "Thank you, Santa."
Thank you, Santa.
Aww.
You must have been good.